In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps in GoHighLevel. Let's get started by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location where you want the app to live. If you manage multiple locations, use the location switcher at the top to pick the right one. You'll need the proper permissions to install apps, so if you don't see certain options, check with your account admin or switch to a user with access. Once you're in the right place, head to the App Marketplace. You'll find it in the left sidebar. Depending on your interface, it might be labeled Marketplace or App Marketplace, but the icon and wording will point you in the right direction. If it's not visible, try expanding the menu or switching to the latest UI. Inside the Marketplace, browse featured apps or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Click into an app to open its details page. Take a moment to read the description, check pricing, review what permissions it needs, and scan ratings or reviews. This is also where you can confirm if it's compatible with your plan and features you already use. When you're ready, click Install on the app's page. GoHighLevel will prompt you to choose where the app should be installed. Select the specific sub-account you opened earlier. If you also manage an agency-level account, be sure you're installing at the sub-account level unless the app explicitly needs agency-wide access. After selecting the location, click Continue. You may see a brief summary of the permissions the app will request, such as access to contacts, calendars, or workflows. This is normal for integrations that need to sync data or automate tasks. Next, click Allow and Install to grant those permissions and start the installation. Only proceed if you trust the app developer and the access being requested. If something doesn't look right, back out and double-check the app details before approving. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. These can include connecting related accounts, pasting in integration keys provided by the app, mapping fields, or toggling features on or off. Complete each prompt carefully. Using test data first is a great way to validate everything without affecting live contacts. When you're done, the app will appear under Installed in the Marketplace, or you'll find it in the relevant area of your sub-account, such as Integrations or a specific feature tab. That's it. You've installed an app in GoHighLevel, selected the right sub-account, approved permissions, and completed the setup prompts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.